Hey friends, welcome to Gale.in. So today I'll be teaching you about 5 to 6 intraday trading strategies uh, that are that I follow and are more successful. So I'll be teaching you what are those strategies, when you have to enter and when you have to exit them. Uh, so today we have entered trades in UPL and Voltas. So I'll be using those charts to explain you these 6 strategies if they are available on them. And those 6 strategies are opening range breakout. VWAP is volume weighted average price. So it is an indicator just like moving average. So VWAP magnet. So put in the bracket like midday pullback. So the other one is ABCD pattern, or ABCD pattern combined with high volume, or ABCD pattern combined with gap up. And these three happen early in the morning, and VWAP false breakout and inside candlestick happens in the midday, like closer to 10:30 to 12:30. These two things happen, and VWAP trend trade happens like uh, after this midday false breakout happens. So VWAP trend trade can be taken over. So opening range breakout, VWAP magnet, ABCD pattern plus high volume or a gap up. So VWAP magnet pullback happens after the volume starts going down in the trade. So it happens between like 10, 10 to 11:30. So this one, ABCD pattern, it's like A to B happens between 9:15 to 10. B to C happens between like 10 to 11 or 10 to 12, and we identify a good entry point so that we can stay invested or stay in the trade for rest of the day. So I'll be explaining you these 5 to 6 trading strategies, which is very profitable. You can, based on your trading style, you can choose one or two of them and start trading. So we'll start with the opening range breakout. So this is UPL chart. First, let me tell where we placed our trades. So we bought UPL at between 880.5 to 881, this place closer to 1230, and we booked it closer to 387 over here. Uh, Same thing with Voltas. So in Voltas we bought it over here above 453, and we booked profits above 462. So first let me explain you the opening range breakout. I normally do not trade this opening range breakout. It's not my trading style. So still I'll be this is one of the intraday trading strategies I'll be explaining you. So you have to use either 5 minute or a 15-minute candle. You just let the 5 minute candle to complete. Here you can see UPL is on a swing chart. It's just come down. I'll be giving you an 1 hour chart. So you can see UPL is pulled back from 335 to 386, and first time it has come down and found a support. So that was yesterday. So based on swing charts, like it is trending up, and it is trying to find the area of value closer to the moving average 20. 20. So any reversal at this point is a strong buy. So reversal means anything above 371 is a good reversal. So today morning you can see in the 5 minute chart. You can see this on a 5 minute chart. A good place to enter is above 371. So these are the kind of trades that you can make early in the morning. Once it breaks above 371, you can buy for a target between these 3 points. So that is one of the strategies, like based on swing trade. You enter your stop losses below 364 and you can just book profits closer to these points. I have not placed this trade today. So I'll come to opening range breakout. There is an opening range between 375 to 367. What you need to do is buy on the next candle when it breaks above 375. So in this candle you enter about 375. Stop loss is lowest of this candle, 367, and you can hold it for like another 5 to 6 or maximum 7 to 8 candles, or until you find this VWAP. I've added the indicator VWAP, volume weighted average price. So if either of volume weighted average price or an exponential moving average, early in the morning you should be using uh, volume weighted average price up to 10 to 15 candles. Later you can switch to EMA 20. Like after 20 candles have been made, you can switch to EMA 20. So 20 candles are made closer to 100 minutes, like 2 hours. For first 2 hours you should be using VWAP, which is more reliable indicator for support. After uh, 20 candles you can switch to EMA 20. And even the 5 minute chart is good and valid till like 30 or 45 to 1 hour. Later you have to switch to 15-minute candle. So you buy in this breakout here and you can sell anywhere, like you can calculate the height of this candle and you can just sell at that point. Like 1:1 ratio, you can book profits normally, or you can wait for this patterns to happen and then sell. So I explained you opening range breakout. Uh, so next one is like high volume. It will be like high volume ABCD pattern combined with VWAP. So what is it? High volume ABCD is like either stocks gap up or it moves with high volume. You can see compared to the day yesterday, the stock is moving with a good high volume. So it moves from point A to point B. So this is point A to point B. Then it consolidates from point B to point C. You can see this A to B, B to C. So where is the best entry point? Always say the best entry point is reversals on area of support, or point between B and C where there is a good increase in volume. So this is the volume chart. You can see there is a good volume over here. That is the point of reversal. So this is the best entry point to enter the stock. Stop loss few points below the low of this uh, C, like A, B, C. C is the lowest point of the consolidation. If you don't get this good volume over here, you can see this red candle has a good volume. That is a good entry point above 381.35. So this high volume candle indicates that the point D is either will be equal to or above B, like A to B, This candle suggests that there is a good chances for the stock to break out above this point or to retest this point with a stop loss below this point. So you can just calculate like 381, 377.5. You can see like 3.5 points. You can easily get another 3.5 points. You can see 381, like 2.5 points over here plus 1 point. There are a lot of chances you get 1:1 ratio, or the probability is higher to hit this day high. You can book some partial profits here, and later you can find some uh, entry points, good entry points to enter the trade. So A, B, C. Stock moves in a high volume from A to B, and it consolidates from B to C. And after C happens, there is a either you find a place in which there's somewhat significant volume compared to previous candles, which gives an indication that the stock is going to make new highs of the day. So this is ABCD pattern with high volume. Like either it can gap up and start, go to A to B, then C, you identify a point to enter, and D happens. That is where you book profits. So based on ABCD pattern, normally we trade, and we have entered like in this candle, closer to 381, and we had booked profits. Not here, not even here. We did not even exit here. We exited at this place. So this is how ABCD happens. As a good trader, you should be booking partial profits here. You should completely book profits here. You can re-enter over here and book your profits here. That way. So I've taught two strategies. One is opening range breakout, which I normally don't do. ABCD pattern that continues to happen. So once this move starts from here to here, from point A to B with good high volume, then it consolidates B to C, and you find a place where this good volume happens. Like you can see this red bar where there's a good volume compared to previous bars. This gives indication that fresh highs are going to be made. So there are two ABCD patterns within the same chart. So this one, and VWAP magnet. So once a stock moves with good volumes from A to B, it happens like from opening when market opens, and for 1 hour or 1.5 hours there's good volume, and then volume starts to go down. You can see the volume starting to decrease after 10 o'clock. So at this point what happens is there's a significant uh, reversal pattern that happens in the market in 5 minutes chart, which pulls back the stock towards the volume weighted average price. So you can see, you can just draw this line. You can see this strong candle that happens, which pulls the stock back towards this volume weighted average price. So you can sell at 383 with a stop loss of 384 and a half, and you get 380. So it's more than 1:1 ratio, and there's good chances that the stock hits this volume weighted moving average. So this is the other strategy. You can see on the previous day also. It starts with good volume. Once it starts to reside, there's a significant reversal pattern that pulls back the stock towards this volume weighted moving average. This is one of the strategies, but I do not trade this one. I do not like this one because it is against the swing that I normally uh, do. So this is called VWAP magnet. I do not know what others call. So it's VWAP magnet where pullback happens towards volume weighted average price. This is one of the strategy. So the other one is the inside candle strategy. So for inside candle, you should either switch to 15 minutes or a 1 hour candle stick. So what happens is, you can see at 9:15 there's a big candle and there's an inside candle at 9:30. So this candle is entirely inside this first candle with little lower volumes, means it is consolidating. So what strategy is like, we should enter above the highs of the inside candle with the stop loss of the inside candle. So entry point is 376.5, stop loss is 373.5, so 3 point stop loss. So what is the target is like, it will be almost equal to the length of the outside candle, first candle, like 376. So closer to 10 points you can expect the stock to move starting from this point. So 375, see 384, closer to 8 points you get. It is like almost 2 to 3 times this inside candle. It's a good and most profitable inside candle strategy. So it is best when it happens early in the morning. So when it is 15-minute candle, it should happen at 9:30, and when it is at 1 hour candle, it should happen. You can see this 9:15, 10:15. Inside candle is formed, but breakout of 384 has not happened. You should sell. You should buy this inside candle only along the trend, not against it. So you can see this. There's no inside candle. You can see this. There's an inside candle 9:15, 10:15. There's an inside candle 11:15. There's another inside candle. Then 12:15 breakout happens, and you can see the stock has made fresh highs. And if you had taken positions, it have gone little higher. So this is inside candle strategy. So other one is VWAP trend following. So normally what we do, we switch to 15 minutes chart. So 15-minute chart is a kind of trend following. What you need to do is, like, as market opens, opening range breakout, inside candle, A to B happens, B to C happens. You buy on reversal or you buy on significant volume on a 5-minute candle for a target of D. And what you can do is, like, you need to trade along the trend. Along the trend, you just wait for this consolidation to happen, re-enter in a good reversals at area of value. Again, you book profits based on Fibonacci retracement or any reversals, or RSI you can use to book profits. So here, so I'll be explaining you Volta's trade that we have done today. So we entered on this swing break above 453, and you can see, let's switch to 5-minute candle, it will be more clear. You can see above this we have bought. You can see on reversal it is trying to pull back towards volume weighted moving average. It happens over here once and twice. So what we normally do is, I do not trade these things. Either I could book my profits at this point, uh, We waited for the swing to happen, good consolidated swing on a 15. Normally we trade on a 15-minute chart and swing. So in this low volume, you just need to uh, kind of average volume. You just wait for the swing to happen. Once there's a reversal this happens after the swing, you can re-enter the trade, double your position for initial target of earlier highs, and then so what we did, we entered above this, we doubled our position here, and we booked profits above 462. So this is what happened in Voltas today. So in this you can see A to B, B to C, and this point has a good volume over the previous candle, indicating that there's fresh high to be made. Uh, Other strategy I've indicated is a VWAP false breakout strategy. So you can see A to B, B to C, and you can see there's a breakout happening in VWAP. So you may think it is breaking out, and you can see there's a breakout in EMA 20. Many people have been thought that once it breaks EMA 20, you need to sell or book profits or book losses, then re-enter after any pattern is made or something. So it is kind of a false breakout. So those people who exited or book profit or done after hitting VWAP would re-enter at this position for a fresh buy. People think that stock can keep going down once it breaks EMI 20 or VWAP. So once it reverses, it is called a false breakout. So this is the other strategy. It is all same. It uses the same logic, just like A to B, B to C. Any reversal you enter, D happens, and again you find ABCD pattern. Enter, exit, book profits. So it's kind of same logic for all the trades. So hope you like the video. You can like it, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.